Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to FIL video update. And I'm actually looking at FIL coin at the weekly time frame previously, or perhaps this was the monthly that I talked about before. And FIL coin just came down like this, made a bear flag right there, and came down once again, and it's still looking to go to $3.16. Now I do expect this to be another bear flag in the making, and FIL coin is actually going to make it all the way down to $3.2. But what I do see on the charts right now is the following, and I do see 3 black rows on the monthly for FIL, and this being another bear flag in the making here. Now if however you try to come up to $13.91, break it, and try to hold $13.1, then there's a good chance you can actually continue to $25 on a monthly time frame. But if this becomes your bear flag, which looks like, and you have that 3 black rows, a continuation to move even lower, then you might be looking for a huge discount, and it could take FIL coin all the way down to $1.18. So that could be a very big massive drop to the downside of nearly 80%. That could be the final dump to the downside before you don't start to make its move back up, and Web3 gets very popular and then goes up, maybe goes back to $400, who knows. And that could be huge moves. Like for example, from there to there we might be looking at a price increase of nearly 33,000. That's just very massive right now. And that's pretty much it for this update on FIL coin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.